Dear children, class 8 Hindi lesson 4, page number 18, I am going to explain about Doha Sahit. Hindi literature has traditional of Dohas. Dohe itself has been a potent medium of giving right direction to human life. This lesson presents a few such dohas of Kabir, Rahim, Brind, Bihari and तुलसी दास। कबीरा संगत साधु की जो गंधी की बास, जो कुछ गंधी दे नहीं तो भी बास सुवास। According to the Kabira, living with sadhu gives a light of wisdom, even if he had not been able to give, he would have acquired some knowledge. गुरु गोविंद दो खरे काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। Kabir ji says, Guru and God both are stand, then whom to greet first. After that, God told that first greet the Guru because got knowledge by him. जो रहीम उत्तम प्रकृति का करी सकत कुसंग, चंदन विष व्यापत नहीं लपटे रहत भुजंग। According to Rahim, a man who has good tendency can have no effect on him. For example, just as living for a snake in the sandalwood trees does not get affected by the snake and its poison. रहीमन धागा प्रेम का मत तोड़ो चटकाए, टूटे से फिर ना जुड़े, जुड़े गांठ पर जाए। Rahim ji says, no one should break the thread of love, because once it is broken, it will not be same as before and lumps would be formed. नैना देत बताए सब, हिय को होत अहेत, जैसे निर्मल आरसी भली बुरी कही देत। Brind ji says that by seeing you know that it can give us profit and loss. For example, everything is very visual in the pure water. एक ही भले सुपुत्र ते सबकुल भलो कहात, सरस सुबासिन बिरछ ते जो बन सकल बसात। According to Brind, being a good son in the family, all become well and proud. For example, if sitting under the tree gives great solace to the mind. नरको औरु नलनीर की गति एके करी जोय, जे तो नीचे होय चले ते तो ऊंचे होय। According to Bihari, tendency of wick and hand pump remain the same because turns the water up as much as the hand pump would run. बरे नहुजे गुणन बिनु बिरद बराई पाए, कहत धतूरे सौ कनक गहनो गढ़ियो न जाए। According to the Bihari, no man great without knowledge. For example, the meaning of Dhatura is two. A Shray which is intoxicated, and another meaning of gold which is made ornaments. कोयल काको देत है, कागा कासो लेत, तुलसी मीठे बचन ते जग अपनो कर लेत. According to Tulsidas, the cuckoo and crow look alike. The cuckoo entertains the people with the sweet voice, whereas the crow disturbs the sleep of people. But sweet voice undertaking, he would take his world. तुलसी मीठे बचन ते सुख उपजत चहु ओर, वशीकरण यह मंत्र है, तजदे वचन कठोर. According to Tulsidas, the sweet vessel word produce happiness all around us and under control the mantra, but away from hard word. Thank you.